subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Hello everyone, welcome to the Mandeep Kaur Sidhu Show. आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं स्माइली चौधरी. शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन एंड शी रन्स थारा स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट. एंड स्माइली बीबीके डीएवी में पढ़ी हैं, वहाँ पे काफ़ी देर तक लेक्चरर रही हैं और उसके बाद उन्होंने फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 years शी इज़ रनिंग हर ओन वेंचर. आर्ट की फील्ड में अपना एक वेंचर स्टार्ट करना मुझे लगता है कि अपने आप में बहुत चैलेंज है और उसमें फिर सक्सेसफुल होना इज़ अ क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल. सो स्माइली, वेलकम टू द शो.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mandeep, for having me.
तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टुडे बिकॉज आज हम बहुत ही डिफरेंट टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं जो पहले मेरे शो पे हमने कभी भी इसके बारे में बात नहीं की. आर्ट एंड द सेल्फ मेड एंटरप्रेन्योर, राइट? तो सबसे पहले आप बताएं थोड़ा सा अपनी फैमिली के बारे में और ऑल अबाउट योर एजुकेशन.
If I begin from my education, I feel committed to art. Like it's been जब से मैं जानती हूँ कि art कोई चीज होती है, since then I'm committed to it. I don't know why it's divine or you can consider it कि बचपन से ऐसा है. I got inspired from my mama's will to be into art, to make Kanhaiya's painting. So I certainly am committed to art. So I started my art journey when I was like quite young. My mama used to go to Vrindavan, mama papa both. So they used to see people making Kanhaiya's painting. वहाँ Tanjore art बहुत चलता है. And it's like commercial, people buy like Tanjore art a lot. So she used to see like where they used to stay, उसके बिल्कुल next door पे there was an artist कन्हैया के नाम से. उनका नाम भी कन्हैया था. Now he's a well renowned artist. He's no more. His sons are taking care of his business and उनकी paintings abroad भी sale होती हैं. And they're still working on कन्हैया, कृष्ण जी. And तो मामा used to see कि वो हाथ घुमाते थे तो कन्हैया के features और इतना प्यारा सा बेबी बन के आ जाता था. तो she always wanted me to be a part, be doing something like that. And I guess that was the start. That was a start. उसके बाद से I was a non-medical student. PCA की entrance भी दिया था मैंने. I got 67th rank. Was 9. I got 67th rank. But I quit and I went into art, fine arts. So I studied art from a BBK DAV college, Amritsar. उसके बाद से the journey begins. 2006 में I like finished my post graduation and I started with my teaching career, like as a lecturer under the mentorship of Dr. Neeta Mahendra. And उसके बाद से टीचिंग करियर स्टार्टेड. इतना मैंने पढ़ते हुए नहीं सीखा था जितना मैंने पढ़ाते हुए सीखा था. सो आई केप्ट ऑन लर्निंग अ लॉट. नए नए बच्चों से मिलना, नए नए आइडियाज जनरेट होते हैं नो. एंड माय फील्ड इज सो क्रिएटिव. सो नई नई स्ट्रीम्स के बारे में पता लगता है. सो दिस इज क्वाइट a welcoming experience. उसके बाद 2014 तक I worked as a lecturer only. Like, of course, my post upgraded. उसके बाद I started my own venture by the name of Thara School of Arts. So it was a venture. It is on the name of my elder daughter, and like my husband being so supportive to it, I got GSA number and I'm running a business also as an entrepreneur. So the motive behind Thara School of Art was I wanted to generate employment. Though I'm still struggling for that. अभी भी क्योंकि अमृतसर में like an MNC there's lot of scope, like lot of fields, like lot of things you can get it painted. You can come up with new ideas. But in a small town like Amritsar, it took time to me generate basically to create this field of art, to this stream. So I just put my all effort and I've got brilliant team with me. I've got such a good team from my college itself and from the artists. Like they keep on joining me up by joining hands, and abhi tak we are here. Yeah.
So who all are in your family?
I have my 2 daughters with me. One is so young, like she's just 1 year old, and one is 6 years old.
Women like you are an inspiration. Full time, they are handling their work, their business, and along with that, their family too. So it's an inspiration for people because most of the women cannot go for their passion when they are in a family.
I believe womanhood is meant to be like this only. We have to work harder if we want to follow up, we want to chase our dreams basically. So I am able to manage all the things because I've got a brilliant support. I must say, without the support of your family, you can't even put a step out. You are going to different places. You're taking commission projects, and you're doing the centerpieces of roads, and you're 9 months pregnant. Like you definitely need your family support in that. So management is very important here, plays an important part. but dreams, like how passionate you are to follow up your dreams, that also matters.
So, what kind of art you are specialized in? What are the various kinds of art, and what is your specialized field?
Art, like has told, I was like, when I start with the art, like art is divided into so many fields. Like visual art is there, plastic art is there. A plastic art mein we do murals, we do sculptures, we do models. Abhi airport mein like 550th anniversary of Nank Dev Ji's birthday, so we were a part of decorating the airport, Guru Ramdas International Airport. So we made models of, in a very, like in a beautiful aesthetic manner, we made model of Kartarpur Sahib. So we got a chance to place it there. So it comes under plastic art. So murals we do at homes, at restaurants, on reception desks, and on cafeterias, then at like at bars. So we do a lot of murals everywhere. So yes, it is an interesting field, and it has lot of subfields further.
तो मैं अपनी ऑडियंस को भी बताना चाहती हूँ कि स्माइली इज अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, एंड अगर आपने एनी काइंड ऑफ डेकोरेशन यू आर लुकिंग फॉर योर हाउस, फॉर योर बिजनेस, एनीवेयर, तो आप जरूर स्माइली को याद कर सकते हैं. शी हैज अ ब्यूटीफुल, अ ग्रेट प्रोफाइल टू सी. तो स्माइली, मैंने आपसे ये पूछना था कि यू टॉट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड इन द कॉलेज, आपने बड़े लंबे समय के लिए पढ़ाया है कॉलेज में, एंड देन व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू टू स्टार्ट योर ओन वेंचर?
What I realized when I was teaching in college, there were like a lot of brilliant girls. It was women college. It was a girls college. Lot of brilliant girls. Like in my subject, I've happened to meet so many girls, those who have a lot of capacity to work and to think, to create. Like, so I thought, what after? And they were struggling after college were done because there was nothing for them in the town. So that really inspired me to do something for them. So it was a big thought to leave college and to start a new venture which was not there in the market. Nobody knew the name of muralist, what muralists are. Nobody knew it. So even I didn't know much about the market, how market would be, and it was all new for me. But I tried, and I'm glad. We just managed to make a little name in the town.
So starting your own venture, so what challenges you face till now? What are the biggest challenges? Because ये बहुत different field है. Even I want to tell my audience कि art is like, the kind of art Smiley is in, murals बनाने, decorate करना, और along with the girls जिनके लिए हम jobs generate कर रहे हैं, उनको काम दे रहे हैं. तो और ये new kind of work है. वाकई one of its kind work, especially अगर हम अमृतसर की बात करें, तो जब भी हम art या murals के बारे में सोचे हैं तो हमेशा Smiley का नाम ही दिमाग में आता है. So it's like what all challenges you are currently facing in this kind of business?
So in every business, Mandeep, you must know, like there are a lot of challenges. Everybody is struggling nowadays. The scenario is going around. Everybody is struggling with one thing or another. And yes, I've got supportive people also. Those who supported my business. I've got a lot of appreciators, those who appreciate, but they're not ready to pay. Sometimes they got their work done, but they don't pay. So we face such things also. I have to have like aid further to my staff from my hand, like I had, So I had faced such struggle sometimes. So, but work is to move on. Work keep going, and I must say there are a lot of art lovers in town. I was not imagining it either, but I've got such support. Most of the people are so supportive, and they are so passionate to get their homes and rooms decorated, so it really motivates me. It really encouraged me to keep going. And when you have a percentage of around 80 and 20, like 80% is supporting you, and definitely one should get encouraged, get motivated to work on.
So whenever we start something, especially जब हम कोई new business start करते हैं, just Smiley did, अभी इनका business थोड़ा सा पुराना हो गया वैसे, but still it changes lot of life. बहुत जनों को वो support करता है. जब आप suppose raw material purchase कर रहे हैं, या people who are working along with you. So what kind of change you found in the lives of the people कि जो आपकी team थी, they were not earlier not getting that kind of work कि art के field में उनको कुछ काम करने के लिए मिले. So how your venture is changing lives?
So yes, it is changing lives. I just want to share some of the experiences of mine. My recent experiences, I've worked for a company in US. So we got tiles from them, and we got murals painted on it. We got best of the artists from Amritsar. I've got few artists. I've got few artists from Jaipur. So collecting them, giving them a platform, same platform to work, and working globally, sending your works outside India. Like it was definitely was so challenging. They have a lot of conditions. expectations and to a lot of things to get it fulfilled. But at the same time, it gives you experience also. So it definitely, a lot of people were involved in it. Like I was involved when it is a part of designing, when it is a part of choosing people, those who are going to paint on it, to experiment, to get the medium done, what medium suits to that base. And a lot of people, those who are applying the base onto the base, and then coloring people, the designing, the people who are just converting my digital design into the drawings and into sketches and into illustrations. Yes, a lot of people get involved. And when I'm doing work with M Trophies as well. So you won't believe, Mandeep, a lot of people are engaged in it. Just say like weaving was one of the main occupation of Amit sir when we go around 10-20 years back. So now we have converted that weaving quality of the people, that the skill of the people, and we are just getting it modified and putting that skill onto the trophies. Like so, a lot of organizations are supporting me. Like Vicky Flow is supporting me. I've got a lot of people those are supporting me. People like you, Mandeep, you are such an example. Like people are you who are supporting me, and I believe this is a work which is going. Art is a field most of people don't want to hear about it because they feel it is not commercial. Like it is divided into two parts, either very high or into nowhere. So I think there is always a middle way, and from the middle way we can moving towards upside. And it is a glamorous field for sure. When we talk about money, it is a glamorous field. It is a students, those who want to pursue art, don't you worry about it. If you are creative enough, if you have aesthetic sense, if you have power to create something, trust me on this. Like it is a glamorous field when you talk about money, when you talk about meeting people, making your brand. Yes, it is none less than fashion designing or interior designing, not less than that, not less than anything. Even doctors are struggling to establish themselves. So nothing different for artists also.
इट्स लाइक कि आर्ट का मेडिटेशन के साथ बहुत रिलेशन है, और इवन वो म्यूजिक की बात हो, पेंटिंग की बात हो, और किसी भी तरह का बंदे में आर्ट हो, इट्स ऑलवेज रिलेटेड टू, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ मेडिटेशन. वो आपको बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस रिलीविंग होता है. सो डू यू थिंक कि द काइंड ऑफ वर्क यू डू और द आर्ट हैज द हीलिंग पावर?
110%. 110%. Art can be of any type. It can be music. It can be, if you know some instrument, it is an art, you're playing it. If you are making compositions, singing competitions, if you're dancing, it is a form of art. So art of any field, like visual arts, plastic art, singing, dancing, any kind of art form, like it is, I believe it is directly connected to somebody divine over there. So when you are upset, when you have a lot of expectations from people and you're going into and dumping yourself into depression, trust me, if you have any kind of art, just start playing it, start doing it, start making it, start creating it. You will definitely forget all your worries and you will be back to your world of happiness.
Right. पंजाब की बात कर लेते हैं अब, बिकॉज यू आर वेरी कनेक्टेड टू पंजाब. आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी कनेक्टेड टू. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ आर्ट इज स्पेशल इन पंजाब? व्हाट इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ पंजाब? व्हाट इज द डिमांड पीपल हु लव पंजाब और इन पंजाबी कल्चर? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्क यू आर डूइंग?
पंजाब में शुरू से वान का बिजनेस, वान बहुत फेमस था. दैट इज जूट, वीविंग ऑफ जूट इज वेरी फेमस. उसके बाद वीविंग, आई टोल्ड यू, अब सब ठटेरास जो पीतल के बर्तन बनाते हैं, दरिया, पंजा दरी, लाइक ये सब चीजें बड़ी फेमस है पंजाब की, क्योंकि इन लोगों को, इन आर्टिस्ट को मोटिवेशन नहीं मिली है. दे डिडंट गेट एनी मोटिवेशन. सो उनकी जो फर्दर जनरेशन है, दे आर नॉट working on it. They are not into the same business as agriculture field. Like a lot of, we are losing our agriculture field. जो पंजाब का etc है, because they are not, they not got support. I don't want to comment on that, but still, I guess if they keep on getting the motivation, and a lot of institutions, lot of organizations have started this, helping people, helping art. So they do need it. They do need it. पंजाब की बात करें, अगर आज की डेट में बात करें, तो फुलकारी is the most happening thing. जो फुलकारी हर जगह जा रही है, तो yes, फुलकारी is there. और ठठेरों का काम, जो पीतल का काम है, वो भी बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. So what we are doing, we also employ these people. As I told you, we just use Fulkari weaving for our trophies, for our mementos. Like I'm working with M Trophies. Then as people in murals, we use petal for console mirrors, and sometimes in paintings we use petal. We just cut half the utensil and just display it in like that way. We are trying just a little. We are just putting our effort habits कि उनको भी आगे लेके जाया जा सके, and we don't want to get it ruined so easily.
कि पंजाब की जो पुरानी चीजें हैं उनको नई चीजों में यूज करके उनको दिखाया जाए कि ये पंजाब की स्पेशलिटी है। तो थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल बात करते हैं कि आपका जो फील्ड है जहाँ पे म्यूरलिस्ट, जो मैंने एक न्यू टर्म सुनी थी जब मैं आपको मिली थी, कुछ म्यूरल्स होते हैं, म्यूरलिस्ट होते हैं, राइट? सो ग्राफिटी की हम बात करते हैं। सो व्हाट आर दीज, ये क्या है और हाउ दे आर, व्हाट इज देयर डिमांड?
Let's start from the demand only. I know some artists from Delhi, like they have like such beautiful work. They are working on the streets. They are working. If you have gone to abroad, you will find lot of graffitis painted on walls all around the city. So even you will find it in Amritsar also, in our town also. You will find lot of walls are painted in like under bridge, under elevated road. You will find lot of paintings there. So these are, I can call it graffiti, but we can create it in a more. They all are giving social messages, which are very nice, but I think to contemporize it, we can just put some more efforts on designing part. Technique is very beautiful, color schemes are very beautiful, they are so bright, brilliant colors are being used, but I think not just only conveying directly the social messages, we can also work on the designing part. As I told you, I had also got an opportunity to work with Architectural Conservation Department, that is the Gurmeet Rai, under the project of Hriday. We have transformed the whole street of Rambagh. We have just replaced all the flexes, the plastic flexes, with traditional iron boards and hand painted all over it.
Great.
And you won't believe, Mandeep, even I was not expecting the same, but we had got lot of artists, those who were working on signages, though they had no work for them left for them. So they used to work to paint signages, to paint the picture boards. If you remember 1970s, when the movies, the posters of the movies were like hand painted.
Yes.
कोई मूवी आती थी थिएटर के आगे hand painted बने होते थे. These artists are from the generations of that people.
Yes.
So now we are just putting our efforts कि सब कुछ renew.
So what about murals?
Murals are like, it's very interesting to talk about. Like it's my favorite field as well. Murals are the things, the paintings which are 3D, which has more than 2 dimensions, which are 3-dimensional, or say the medium. They can be in different mediums. They can be in wood. They can be in cement. They can be in fiber. They can be in in cloth. They can be in any medium. But murals are meant to be. It has to be 3-dimensional. So it is a little different from painting, and it is in trend nowadays.
So आपको कहाँ चांस मिला अपना म्यूरल प्लेस करने का?
Yeah, in town I have placed like my murals. Like we placed in a reception desk at Hotel Galaxy, Hotel One View. One more hotel is coming up at Hall Bazaar. We are just working with them also, and they have a big, huge reception. There are the series of One Hotels. I have worked with them also. Very nice people, and had great time working with them. Their whole reception, whole rooms, they have taken all the murals for that. Then I have worked like so many places. I have to just remind. A lot of restaurants, lot of cafeterias I did, salon, then boutique, salon. Yes, I did lot of murals.
Great. So जब ना हम आर्ट्स की बात करते हैं ना तो सारे थोड़ा लो हो जाते हैं, उनको लगता है अच्छा तुमने आर्ट्स रखी है। तो मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ अपनी ऑडियंस को भी कि एनी फील्ड यू एक्सेल इन, जिसमें आप बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, इट्स नेवर इजी। जस्ट लाइक कि अगर हम आपकी बात कर लें, यू आर डूइंग योर जॉब सो सीरियसली, इतना एफर्ट लगता है। तो इट्स लाइक व्हाट इज द स्कोप ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ करियर?
Yeah, it is very important for me to tell you. You will get a job easily when you are a fashion designer, when you are a product designer. So these are all forms of art only. It's not mandatory you will establish yourself as an artist and take a lot of years of struggling. You need not to face. If you want to start from a job, you just need to learn. Product designing is in trend, right? You can offer a course if you have good aesthetic sense and you have the power to create. So trust me, go and get yourself enrolled in as a product designer. Like product designer, you have to create a lot of small products. You can start from the small things. You should have a knowledge of physics, of course. Then you can just start designing it, start putting your creating powers into that. So definitely you can be a product designer. If you learn if you have skill of sketching, start sketching new dresses if you're very fond of. You can be a fashion designer at some point of time. You can work with fashion designers, you can design their stuff, they will get that made afterwards. You can work with interior designers, you can come up with your different ideas. You just have to pursue the course of interior designing. These all are the sub fields of art. Designing are, you can go for textile designing. No, they all need art or art. So art is definitely has lot of scope to follow up.
एक मेरा क्वेश्चन था जो मेरे माइंड में आया जब मैं स्टार्ट करने लगी थी ना, तब मैंने सोचा, मैंने कहा ये क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछना है कि इज इट ओनली फॉर द गर्ल्स?
No, not at all. If I talk about plastic art, like if you talk about murals, when you're not working on a cloth, you're not working on a paper, you would need a lot of power to work on a wall directly.
Okay.
You really need a good power to work on the walls. You have to climb up like onto the second floor if you're painting a facade of some wall. If you are into the restoration, you are restoring. Restoration means you are just taking care or just giving the touch-ups to already painted walls. So you have to climb up to at certain floors. So this is the art meant for girls and boys both. So creativity doesn't know any gender. Creativity doesn't know any age. So creativity is creativity.
Great. So like how these kinds of ventures are boosting our economy? मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को एक रास्ता मिलता है एक नई तरह की जॉब करने का, और इसमें बहुत सारे छोटे वेंडर्स भी इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं जब आप रॉ मटेरियल परचेज कर रहे हैं, राइट? दो लोकल, आई थिंक लोकल बहुत हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट कर सकते हैं, बड़ा कुछ हो सकता है. सो व्हाट इज योर व्यू ऑन दिस, दैट हाउ इट्स हेल्पिंग द इकोनॉमी ऑफ द कंट्री?
Handicraft. India is always known for its handicrafts.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you go somewhere abroad in any of the exhibitions over there, you will find India's counter. So handicrafts are always there. But I believe, and I've been seeing this, no change is there. Like it demands change. Mm-hmm. It demands modification. It demands designing. So with the same product, with the same material, if we design it in a different manner by understanding the market trends, we can definitely, we just bang on under it. So
very, very positive. So at last, what is your message for the audience listening to you? Maybe more of fine art students may listen to your video. So what is your message?
So don't just leave hopes. Trust me. I am pursuing art. I am following art, and I'm very glad. I'm very happy with my career. It has a lot of opportunity. Like you can work in a private sector, in government sector. You have that respect. So it is a professional field. You can go and opt for it. Listen to your heart. Keep on working. Keep on doing sketchings and a lot of drawings and talk.
Okay, great. So thank you so much, Smiley, and I hope हमारी audience को भी आज का ये session बहुत ही अच्छा लगा होगा. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Madhuri. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Smiley, for being with us. I hope कि हमारी audience को आज का ये session जो है वो बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, and I think the girls must listen जो art को pursue कर रही हैं. बहुत बार ऐसे लगता है कि we have studied something, हमने कुछ पढ़ा है, किसी चीज़ में knowledge ली है, but we always find jobs. तो आज हमने स्माइली को देखा है कि कैसे उन्होंने अपना खुद का एक फुल फ्लेज्ड एक वेंचर सेटअप कर लिया, एक बिजनेस सेटअप कर लिया, और वो जिस फील्ड में पढ़ी हैं उसको परस्यू कर रही हैं. सो अगर आप में पैशन है तो आप किसी भी चीज़ की मार्केट जो है वो क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, और अपने घर पे बैठे बैठे ही यू कुड बी वेरी सक्सेसफुल. सो आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ वुमेन लाइक स्माइली चौधरी कि जो आर्ट को परस्यू कर रही हैं, अपनी खुद की सिटी से परस्यू कर रही हैं, और एंड दे आर वेरी सक्सेसफुल. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग मनदीप कौर सिद्धू शो.